The best gold precipitation in just 10 minutes. The heavy gold dust settle down at the bottom. Our topic today is all about gold from scrap precipitation cleaning process. So what I have here is the precipitation of gold from aqua regia that has almost no base metal. To begin with is to filter with our filter paper. I don't recommend decantation because, as you can see here, there are too many gold particles that suspended up in our aqua regia solution that we precipitate with SMB. As you can see, we have nice gold there. This is very basic work, but if you're not doing well with your precipitated gold, then goodbye gold. So no need to require you capture all the gold from the bottom of your beaker, only liquid to be filtered. And if you have done filtering, then move this one into the beaker, then spray water, then save this one. And that is our west. And this is our gold mad here. So let's transfer this one into a small beaker for washing. I had prepared hot water here. Let's add hot water. Do not boil first because of sometimes if there is excess nitric and you will dissolve the gold. Then decant this water because the color brown is not gold. Then add hot water again. After adding 3 times with hot water, the water is not clear, so let's decant this one. Yeah, then add hot water again. After 5 times adding hot water, this is the result, and I'm sure there's no oxidizer here, so let's decant the water here. Add small amount distilled water, then add 35% hydrochloric acid. The purpose here is to dissolve excess chemical. Then leave it for a couple minutes and allow hydrochloric acid to dissolve excess chemical here. And then stir a little bit. Take note, this process taking longer to settle down the gold, so do not decant immediately. Allow always to settle down the gold. Be careful of handling your precipitation, because this is money and you are investing here your time, your finances. So take care your gold always. Then observe your gold precipitation. If you see bubble, that means you have excess nitric acid here, and in my case it's look like nothing here. As you can see, the water and the gold are stable. So let's proceed for boiling. Let's add to our still pot. The gold has quickly settled down, and let's boil this one. Boiling with water. I cover all the cleaning process here, and this is exactly what I have done. So boiling of our gold just like that. And you know, hydrochloric acid is highly soluble in water, so very easy to remove hydrochloric here. And always allow the gold to settle down just like that. And the water is clear and the gold has settled down. Then decant the water. Add hot water again to completely remove hydrochloric acid. And add to our plate again and boil. Boil water just like that, at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then allow the gold to settle down. After 4 times boiling with hot water, now let's proceed to the next. So let's boil this one. As you can see here, very nice gold. Now this time we add 30% nitric acid to completely clean up the gold. Let's take a look what happened here. I'm sure there's no hydrochloric acid for 4 times boiling. Look like dissolving some other metal here. That's it. Let's add more. Yeah, baby. Look like very good. Let's stir. It's allowed to boil. Boiling. Let's allow to settle down. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Oh Jesus. The gold has quickly settled down. Uh, you see that? Yeah, baby. Look at that. That is the result of our job. That is awesome. So we decant the water with nitric. Okay, that's enough boiling. Let's allow to settle down. Now drying our high purity gold for melting. Now our gold added to our crucible. This is gold recovery. So let's take a look what happened to our work. Very nice gold, man. So this is our result. Yeah, look at that. Very nice high purity gold. Perfect, baby. 4.6. Oh my goodness. So thank you so much for watching, and that is exactly I have done during the cleaning process. Sometimes I cut the part which is not important, but see our result.